What is a period? Period refers to a specific block of time within a school day dedicated to a particular class or activity. For example, a school day might have 8 periods, with each period lasting 45 minutes to an hour. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a new period for your class schedule. First, navigate to the Periods section under School Settings. Here, you'll see a list of existing periods. To add a new one, click on the Add New Period button. A form will appear where you can enter the details of your new period. Start by entering the title of the period. This should be the full name of the class or activity, like Period 2. Next, enter a short name. This is a brief identifier for the period, such as P2. Now set the start time and end time for the period. Be sure to enter the correct times to fit your schedule. If attendance needs to be taken for this period, switch on the Calculate Attendance checkbox. Finally, hit the Save button to create your new period. And that's it. You've successfully created a new period. Repeat these steps to add more periods as needed. Thank you for watching.